Since protecting the environment is deeply rooted in Cascades' values, the company has adopted clear ecological guidelines aimed not only at exceeding the environmental standards that are in effect, but at creating precedents that will chart a course for the future. At Cascades, the raw materials used in manufacturing our recycled fiber products come partly from the items in your recycling bin, but also from schools, office buildings, printing shops, and other industries. This is what we call the urban forest. Everything you put in your recycling bin ends up at the sorting plant. Paper and cardboard is compressed and tied into bundles to make them easier to transport. Cascades buys these materials and uses them to manufacture its wide range of products. Do you have a blender in your kitchen? Imagine one that is 30,000 times larger. The result would be a pulper. It is in this giant vat that we make pulp. The pulper turns paper and cardboard into a pulp by mixing them with water. To manufacture bathroom tissue and paper towels, we use mostly office paper. We also recycle the water used in our manufacturing process. The pulp then circulates through various cleaning systems to remove any contaminant. If the finished product is to be white, the pulp goes through an additional step, de-inking, where loose fibers and inks are removed by washing and flotation. These residues, called de-inking sludge, are pressed, then reclaimed to enrich the soil in the agricultural field, to secure mining sites, or as biomass fuel by resorting to hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydrosulfite. Instead of chlorine in manufacturing bleached pulp, we eliminate halogen compounds from our effluents. When the pulp finally reaches the paper machine, it is highly diluted, approximately 1% pulp to 99% water. It is first sprayed onto a screen, then moved on to the next steps, where it will rapidly lose its water content. The dripping water, which contains loose fibers, will be recycled. This process is very quick. We go from pulp to an almost dry sheet of paper with a humidity level of approximately 5% in just a few seconds, thanks to dryer rolls that measure 10 to 18 feet in diameter. Paper is manufactured at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. The energy source used in drying the paper is natural gas, one of the cleanest fuels for the environment. A number of quality checks are performed both online and periodically to ensure the paper's whiteness, softness, thickness, and strength. We maintain very high quality standards in order to meet our customers' requirements. Giant rolls weighing 3 tons each are then stored before being transformed on our conversion lines. Depending on the product being manufactured, the sheet will undergo a series of processing steps that will lead to the finished product. For example, for bathroom tissue and paper towel, sheets from 2 giant rolls are unrolled at the same time and bind to form a single sheet. Embossing, perforating, rolling, cutting, and packaging then follow. Since 1964, we manufacture each product with the highest respect for the environment.